Welcome to Mishna. Study Masechet Sukkah Perek Mishnah Vav. Over here in this Mishnah, I'm going to discuss the Korbanot on Sukkot. Right. So, firstly, we're familiar with the Pesukim from Parashat Pinechas, where over there we list the Korbanot, right, of every holiday. And when it comes to Sukkot, if we pay attention, what's different than all the holidays is that every single day there's a different amount of Korbanot. Right. This is actually what we read throughout the holiday on Chol Hamoed. Right. And famously. Right, parim bene bakar shlosha asar, edim shenayim kivasim bene shana arba asar timimim yu. Right, and it goes on. Right, how much do we have? So we have 13 bulls total. Right, that we bring as a korban olah. We have 2 rams. Then we have the 14 kivasim sheep, and we have the 1 goat silizim. That's for the hatat. And then the second day, instead of 13 bulls. All the other korbanos stay the same, but we drop 1. We have 12 on the second day. And if you look on Bayom HaShlishi, right, we have 11 bulls. And then if you keep going, right, so every day we keep having one less. Now, there's a total of 24 mishmarot in the Bet Mikdash. That means there are 24 families, right, a rotation of the Kohanim. They were broken up to 24 different groups, and each group would have a rotation their week. Now, when they come, they would go ahead and each mishmara, right, when they're working during the holiday, each mishmara would get an animal, right? Would get to bring one of these korbanot. So how would they divide all of these korbanot? That's going to be our Mishna. So B'Yom Tov Harishon Shel Chag, the first day of Sukkot, hayu sham 13 parim ve'elim shenayim ve'sa'ir echad. Right, there would be 13 bulls, 2 rams, 1 goat. Nishtaru sham 14 kivasim. Now, these are the most, the biggest of the animals, the most important of the animals. Each mishmara would take 1. So 13 plus 2 is 15, plus another 1 is a total of 16. Now we have 14 kivasim, 14 sheep left for the remainder 8 mishmarot, right? We said there's 24 mishmarot. We just used 16 animals. So there's another 8 mishmarot left to take the 14 kivasim. So what would they do? They would divide them up. By Yom Rishon, Shisha makrivim shnayim shnayim v'ashar echad echad. They would take 6 of them, right? 6 of the mishmarot, 6 groups would take 2 sheep each for a total of 12, and the balance 2 mishmarot. We said there's a total of 8 mishmarot that didn't get an animal yet, so the balance 2 would get 1 and 1, getting to a total of the 14 sheep. So that's what we're going to do every day. Every day, each mishmara is going to say you can get, either 1 bull or 1 ram or 1 goat, and whatever's left at the end, the 14 sheep, we're going to divide with how many ever mishmarot are left. So the first day you can have 8 left. The second day you can have more than 8, right? You can have 9 left because you only brought 12 bulls. Let's go into the next day. Basheni, hamisha makrivim shnayim shnayim. Only 5 mishmarot will bring 2 sheep each for a total of 10. V'ashe'ar echad echad. Right? And the rest of them would bring 1 each. Right? Because again, over here we have an extra mishmara because you have 1 less bull. Bashilishi, right? Where on the third day, we're down to 11, right? 11 bulls. Right? So over here, again, you can have an extra mishmara that's not bringing one of the main animals. So shnayim, right? Arba'ar makrim shnayim, 4 would bring 2, right? 2 sheep each. V'ashar, right? And the rest of those mishmarot, right? Right? The remainder 6 are going to bring had, right? And we're going to keep on doing this each day, and the Mishnah is going to go through one. But on the 4th day, there will be 3 mishmarot that bring 2 each. V'ashar, right? The leftover 8 mishmarot are going to bring had echad. On the 5th day, 9 groups. Right? There would be nine parim, right? So everyone would go ahead and bring what's left over. You have 2 groups that would bring 2 sheep each. Vashar, right? The rest of the 10 that are left over bring echad echad. Bashishi echad makriv shnayim, vashar echad echad. Bashavi'i, on the 7th day, right? The 7th day, we're only bringing 7 parim. So yad kulam shaveh, right? The everyone's hand is equal over here. Right? Right? Everyone's hand is equal. How so? Because on the 7th day of Sukkot, you have 7 people 7 mishmarot bringing seven parim, plus you have the 2 rams, that's 9, plus the 1 seir is 10, and you have 14 sheep left for 14 mishmarot. So everyone gets one. So everyone that day, only each mishmara gets one animal. Bashemini hazura pais karegalim. On the 8th, right, the 8th day, if you look at Shemini Atzeret in Parashat Pinchas, we only bring, how many parim do we bring on that day? We don't go down, we went from 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We don't go over here to 6, right? Actually, on Shemini Atzeret, you only bring one pot, right? This is actually similar to some of the other holidays. It's a holiday in itself. And we go back to the pais, to the regular goral that we had for the mishmarot, like we have on all the other regalim, on Pesach, Shavuot, right, where you don't have as many korbanot as Sukkot. Amru, right? They said, Misha makriv parim hayom, lo makriv l'machal, ela hozrim halila. Right? Someone who brought the pot today, someone who brought the, right, going back to the korbanot and Sukkot. If we had mishmarot the first day, there were 13 mishmarot. So mishmarot 1 through 13 brought a bull today. Are they going to get to bring a bull tomorrow? So no, they're not, right? Except for actually one of them, right? But we're going to take now mishmarot 14 to 24 the next day, right? Which is a total of 11. And they're going to bring the bull. Plus, they're going to get one more, right? We need one more because we have, actually on that second day, we have 12 bulls. We just had 11 mishmarot. So mishmarah number 1 is also going to bring a bull on that second day. What about the third day? So it's going to be mishmarot from 2 and onwards, right? And that's how we're going to keep on going around in a rotation, in a circle. So everyone gets an even amount of times where they're able to bring a bull, which is the most important korban over there in the mikdash. So each mishmara would have an equal opportunity.